Greetings, prosperity seekers. You've stumbled upon the elixir of wisdom where future billionaires forge their destiny. Let's unravel 12 arcane investments that pack a punch of robust returns, together cutting through the mists of conventional investing. A symphony of weird ETF niches. Imagine a universe where you're riding the waves of societal trends, capitalizing on the most whimsical to impactful shifts in our world, presenting to you ETFs that target the most peculiar yet surprisingly lucrative niches. UFOTF, a vehicle harnessing the financial potentials locked within the mysteries of the cosmos, embracing ventures that navigate through space exploration and its commercialization. Meme ETF, straight from the chaotic realm of Wall Street bets, emerge investments hinging on the rampant and wild winds of meme stocks. VYQH, an entity embracing businesses that might be detrimental to our health but fortuitously nourishing for our pockets. It compiles sectors like tobacco, alcohol, gambling, and even the sinfully delightful chocolates. And the extraordinary tale of Inverse Cramer ETF, where every call to sell by Jim Cramer, often perceived as the harbinger of opposite outcomes, becomes a beckoning to acquire more. Automate wealth with self-service ventures. We plunge into the world where automation doesn't necessarily mean futuristic robots patrolling our neighborhoods, but a dimension where the self-service domain simplifies wealth accumulation with minimal human intervention. Self-service car washes, where $25,000 to $35,000 in initial investment intertwines, with an average monthly revenue per bay of $1,489, promising a break-even in less than 3 mesmerizing years. Self-storage units and laundromats, simply offering a space or service, delegating security and operation to automated systems, and observing as your investments steadily burgeon. Through this lens, we perceive a world where businesses adapt to evolving economic climates, like Starbucks embedding self-serve kiosks in supermarkets in China, entwining your grocery shopping with the timely readiness of your aromatic coffee. Buy land, a 20-year slumbering giant of wealth. The seemingly timeless advice of buy land 30 minutes away and wait 20 years unveils its core, simplicity yet potent efficacy in real estate investment. Navigate from the bustling city center, traverse for a half hour, and there, in the tranquil outskirts, lay your claim to the soil. As time ebbs away, the creeping expansion of the city will invariably encroach upon your territory, turning your once dormant investment into a towering giant of unanticipated wealth. Journey beyond the horizon, investment goldmines. Stay with us as we delve deeper, unfurling the unseen tapestry of investment opportunities, each thread intricately weaved with the promise of unmatched wealth if you dare to tread these paths. Land, the timeless treasury. Picture this, the sprawling metropolis expanding its fingers, reaching out, its shadow slowly engulfing the untouched terrain. And right there, in the path of urbanization, lies your plot. With every inch the city encroaches, your land's value amplifies, giving you the leverage to sell at a staggering 10 to 20x of your initial investment. Current times whisper to us that agricultural lands lay dormant, awaiting the discerning investor. If patience is your virtue, stake your claim on the fringes of expanding cities and let time weave its magic. Debt markets, hidden profits and others' liabilities. Enter the intriguing realm of debt acquisition. Ever wondered about debts that become too cumbersome for banks to chase? They get sold off in secondary markets at a tantalizing discount. Becoming the new owner, you hold the cards collecting payments, interest, and if destiny nudges, the collateral itself. Picture this, a scenario where you buy your own aging debt, sometimes as low as 50 cents on the dollar. A realm where your liability becomes your asset. Executive coaches, navigators of success. The universe of business can be tumultuous, fraught with unseen pitfalls and challenges. But fear not, for the executive coaches are the seasoned navigators of this realm. Their wisdom, honed through the crucibles of experience, can guide you past blunders worth millions, With fees sometimes exceeding $100,000 annually, their expertise offers not just counsel but accelerated pathways to success. Embracing such a mentor metamorphoses your journey, sharpening your focus and illuminating the path ahead. The investment might be hefty, but the returns, priceless. Parking spots, gold mines in concrete jungles. In the heart of urban sprawls, a modern-day gold mine thrives parking spots. Envision a venture that requires minimal intervention, operating autonomously, printing money with every ticket. As the world races, spaces to halt become invaluable. Parking lots, with their ability to adapt prices during peak times, evolve into assets that not only promise consistent cash flow, but also appreciate in value. A decade or two of prosperous operations, and you might just catch the eye of a commercial behemoth ready to offer a fortune. The electric pulse of energy trading. Venture into the volatile yet lucrative universe of energy trading. Natural gas and energy traders operating at the pulse of global demands often rake in salaries from $200,000 to $1 million annually, bonuses included. This realm is vast, encompassing digital trades akin to stock markets, futures for the seasoned, or even tangible buying, storing, and selling of the very energy that powers our world. Ever thought about the veins crisscrossing our planet, transporting these precious resources? Leasing these pipelines can be the gateway to immense profits. The digital frontier, early-stage startups and digital enterprises. Fancy yourself as the next titan of Silicon Valley? Venture into the exhilarating world of early-stage startups. If your bank account boasts more than $1 million, or if you're earning upwards of $200,000 annually, you're in a privileged spot. Venture capital is not just for the Wall Street bigwigs anymore. The strategy? Sprinkle your funds across promising companies. Yes, some will fizzle out, but all you need is that one unicorn to soar, covering all your bets and more. Platforms like Angelist, birthed by visionary Naval Ravikant, or Europe's Seedblink, thanks to Radu Georgescu, have democratized this space. Or, if the thrill of the gamble isn't for you, why not buy a digital business outright? Ever heard of Andrew Starkey? This entrepreneurial wizard launched Acquire.com, a marketplace where businesses range from a cool $10,000 to dizzying multi-million-dollar empires. Dive in and grab a piece of the action. The rhythms of wealth, music, catalogs. Music, it's the heartbeat of culture, but beyond the emotion and dance, it's a goldmine. No, we don't need to be the next Beyoncé. Artists, contrary to popular belief, rarely own their music, the big labels do. But here's the twist: platforms have emerged letting artists list their tracks, selling pieces of their royalties. With every radio play or YouTube stream, Cheng, companies like Songvest, Royal.iOS, Mo Master Exchange and Global Rockstar are leading this revolution. Soon, investing in the next viral hit or an underground classic could be your ticket to passive income. Cruising in luxury supercar investments. Strap in as we zoom into the elite world of supercar collecting, a realm where luxury isn't just experienced, but also becomes a prolific investment. Supercars are not mere vehicles. They're limited edition mechanical marvels, transcending utility and venturing into artistry. With the automobile universe pivoting to electric, petrol-driven supercars are swiftly morphing into future relics, amassing value with each tick of the clock. Take Porsche, for instance, a tangible asset that not only retains value, but in many instances, like the 911 Targa, accelerates to over $1 million in the resale market. Navigate through the roads less traveled with investments in not just Porsches, but the sumptuous realms of Lamborghini and Ferrari, transforming your capital into a high-octane, appreciating asset, a toast to prosperity, whiskey and fine wine investment. Finally, let's raise a glass to a luxurious yet accessible investment avenue: premium whiskey and fine wine. This isn't mere indulgence, it's a burgeoning financial realm, where whiskey has outperformed even gold and wine has triumphantly paraded past the S&P 500, platforms like Vinovest and Whiskey Invest Direct are democratizing these lofty markets, inviting you not just to savor the exquisite but to lucratively invest in it. They manage the procurement, storage, and eventual sale, while you, the investor, merely finance the venture, basking in the aromatic returns without ever needing to stash a bottle. In a world where traditional financial doctrines are being consistently challenged, perhaps it's time to delve into the unconventional, turning passions into profits, luxury into longevity, and investment into stories of triumph against the fiscal tide. Together, let's navigate through the rich tapestry of alternative investments, crafting a future that's not just financially secure but splendidly opulent. Let's shape a future where your investments are not just fruitful but thoroughly enchanting, shall we? The quirky vault, rare coins, stamps, and beyond. Dive deep into the peculiar vault of financial opportunity, where treasures are not gold or stocks, but rather nostalgic memorabilia and seemingly mundane items. Behold, stamps and rare coins, often overlooked by our tech-savvy generation, are unlocking secret doors to astonishingly lucrative worlds. A $5,000 price tag on an unopened Coke bottle or $2,000 for a vintage Pez dispenser might defy logic at a cursory glance, yet this is the marvelous reality of niche collectibles. But tread cautiously. These investments might be whimsical and profitable, but are also prone to fickle market trends and thus demand an innate understanding of the market and its community. Remember the Beanie Babies craze? A roller coaster that plummeted as swiftly as it soared. The lost treasures, old patents and copyrights. Navigate with us through the archival aisles of lost innovations, where expired patents and old copyrights are hidden gems, awaiting rediscovery and renaissance. Meet Catherine Hettinger, the unsung inventor of the fidget spinner, who, after a patent expiration and a missed renewal, watched the world spin her creation into a global phenomenon, reaping none of the whirlwind profits. Catherine's story isn't isolated. The renowned How to Win Friends and Influence People is an open treasure, its contents cascading through various publishers due to its public domain status. Imagine rekindling forgotten ideas, reviving them into contemporary marvels and orchestrating their triumphant return to society, all while securing impressive returns. If tales of lost inventions and their resurrection enthrall you, perhaps a subscribe and like will whisk you into more stories of incredible intellectual property adventures. Beyond the conventional, unique holiday rentals. We are alighting now at our final stop, the whimsical world of unique holiday rentals, but let's not divulge all just yet. To continue this enchanting journey through the bizarre, lucrative, and endlessly captivating avenues of unorthodox investments, stay tuned. Hit subscribe, immerse yourself in a realm where the extraordinary and financial serendipity coalesce, and let's continue to explore the far-reaching corners of intriguing investments together. Every relic has a story, every invention a narrative, and every investment an adventure waiting to unfold. In the entwining paths of curiosity and financial acumen, let's explore, discover, and create stories that will be told by the investors of tomorrow. In this mesmerizing journey, where stories of past inventors intertwine with future investors, where will your story take you? Embark on this riveting journey of unconventional investments with us, and let's carve pathways through the magnificent, peculiar, and remarkably profitable together. Let the adventures in the realms of eccentric wealth begin. And thus, the saga of unusual investments and tales of bizarre wealth continues, where every chapter unfolded is a step closer to unmasking the intriguing mystery of financial success through the unlikeliest of avenues. Let's continue to tread the peculiar yet lucratively enchanting path together. Smash that subscribe button, ignite the bell for notifications, and become part of our audacious community of unconventional investors.